Sylvester Chisom here. Today I want to talk to you about how you can make truer decisions. The secret to making truer decisions is having a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. Okay? Now, the fixed mindset views blocks in the road or blocks toward achieving your goal as the end. Okay, the fixed mindset says that only certain people are destined for greatness, that intelligence is fixed or talent is fixed, that you can't improve upon these things, that the successful entrepreneurs were the ones who were born that way. The successful people are the ones who were born that way. Now, this is not true. And neuroscience has proven that we learn until the day we die. We can learn up until the day that we die. So that means that we can get better. By learning, we can make better decisions, and that's applying the growth mindset. That's having that growth mindset, believing that if you want to be more successful in your career, then you can learn certain tasks, or you can improve on your abilities, or if you want to get into better shape, then you can improve on that. You can improve your health and your wellness by actually going to the gym, and working on that. Or if you're in business or you want to start a business, you can get better every single day. And as you come across those roadblocks, you don't view those as the end of the road, but you just see that as a part of the journey. And that journey is what's molding you and making you into the person that you need to be in order to receive that outcome of that goal or of that successful business. So when you come across those roadblocks, you just keep going. You don't stop. You just understand it's part of the journey. It's part of the process. But when you take on that growth mindset, that is what will allow you to actually make truer decisions, and it really is more in line with reality versus a fixed mindset. It's not in line with reality. The growth mindset is in line with reality because, like I said earlier, it's been proven by neuroscience that we can learn until the day we die. And with that being said, that should be enough reason for you to continue to push forward toward achieving your goals, not get stuck, not remain in a place of complacency, or turn around and go back and say, oh, I wasn't born for this. You were born for this. You were born to be great, but you have to believe it yourself and apply that growth mindset to your life. When you do that, you will manifest greatness. So, as I always say, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. I'm gonna get back to this exercise bike now. Peace.